Acacia fiber, acacia gum, gum arabic from the Timbuktu acacia fiber brand. Fights fatigue, a real tonic and energizing product, 100% natural. Acacia fiber increases vitality and improves the general state of health and well-being. The best high-fiber food for diabetics. The best high-fiber food for a slimming diet. Excellent prebiotic. Timbuktu acacia fiber is very rich in soluble dietary fiber, 90% to 97% of pure soluble dietary fiber, vitamins and mineral salts, mainly in magnesium, calcium and potassium, of which here are the benefits for health and the human body. Magnesium is one of the most present minerals in the body. Magnesium needs increase under the effect of stress, certain disorders or drug treatments, as well as intense physical and intellectual activity. Magnesium is involved in the transformation of food into energy, in the transmission of nerve impulses for intellectual activities and in the formation of bones and teeth. Acting with calcium and potassium, it regulates the heart rate and participates in the production of insulin. It helps fight high blood pressure, relieves the symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, and fights against fatigue and aches.